A global treaty to stop the spread of nuclear weapons. Almost every country signed it, but not India. Why? Was it defiance or something deeper? Welcome to Truthful, where we decode reality one fact at a time. In 1968, world powers came together to create the Non-Proliferation Treaty or NPT. Its purpose was to stop the spread of nuclear weapons, disarm countries that already had them, and promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy. It came into effect in 1970. Today, 191 countries are the part of it, but not India. India refused to sign, and the reason were not emotional, they were logical. It was discriminatory. The treaty only recognized five countries, the US, UK, France, Russia, and China, as official nuclear weapon states. But they tested bombs before 1967. Everyone else looked out forever. India called it unfair, a system that creates nuclear have and have nots. The other reason was national security. With neighbors like China and Pakistan, both nuclear powers, India believed it needed to have own nuclear deterrent. Signing the treaty would not mean giving up that right. India supports disarmaments. India believes in complete and universal nuclear disarmament, not selective control. If everyone gives up nuclear weapons, India will too. Even though India never signed the NPT, it follows a no first use policy. It abides the strict export controls, cooperates with the IAEA, and in 2008 received a waiver from a nuclear suppliers group to engage in peaceful nuclear trade. So India chose not to sign the treaty that it believed was fault and instead pulled a responsible nuclear policy of its own. What do you think? Should India have signed NPT anyways? Let me know in the comment and hit subscribe button to Truthful.